2-ingredient naan. So we're gonna take some flour and add some yogurt into it, and that's the only thing we need. We're gonna knead the dough and rest it for 30 minutes. And then we're gonna roll it as thin as possible, and then you're gonna take some butter and put it in a pan until this golden brown color is achieved. Add some garlic butter to it and coriander. And for the butter chicken, we're gonna cut some chicken, and for the marinade, we're gonna take some yogurt, add some spices, which is turmeric, paprika, pepper, salt, lemon juice, and if some coriander if you need it. Add some cumin as well. And then we're gonna leave it to marinate for 24 hours. And in the pan, we're gonna take some butter and oil so it doesn't burn the butter. Add some onions, cashew nuts, and some tomato puree, and simmer it for about 30 minutes. And then we're gonna blend it. Here we're gonna take a different pan, heat up the oil, and saute the chicken until done. And we're gonna use the same pan again. You're gonna add some cream to the puree and some kasuri methi, which is fenugreek leaves. Simmer it, add some coriander leaves, some butter, and add in the chicken and some lemon juice for taste.